When Instagram suddenly stops loading, crashes, refuses or to refresh, or won't let you log in, it can be frustrating, especially if you use the app every day. So let's go to see how to fix Instagram not working in easy way. So the first thing you have to do is to go to settings. Then here in this page you will find this window of apps, so you tap on apps. After that, in this page of apps, you will enter again to apps. Then here in this list you will search about Instagram app, you will click. After that, in this page you will find first stop, so you click on first stop. You will click on first stop here, and then you will go to storage, and here you can click on clear cache, as you see, clear cache. So this is how it works. So don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for your watching. And